You're not looking for the one. You're not even looking for a better partner. You are just addicted to this ranking pattern where you rank your own worth against the world that don't even exist. You've been told that having options is freedom, but you are just sitting in a prison. And most of you are voluntarily sitting in your cell and wasting your potential. Trust me when I say watch this video till the end if you want to stop compare yourself to others and grow to your own potential. Let's just talk about paradox of choice. Most people think that more option means more happiness. It's a lie. In reality, more options mean more anxiety, more paralysis, and a complete state of dissatisfaction. Because when you choose from thousand things, you're not thinking about the thing you have chose. You are thinking about that 999 things that you didn't choose and other people gonna have it. Today here I'm sitting and this yabbling is not coming from a textbook but my own experience. As you don't know, I've been born and brought up in a joint family where comparison was not a one time thing, it was our atmosphere. I was breathing in it. Everything I was doing is being compared to other people in my family, whether they are my cousin or sibling, and somebody or the other is better or excellent at something than me. And you know what? It just broke me in a way that I just couldn't explain you. Now every day I think that somebody's is better than me and I cannot be better at anything. I cannot be good at anything. Nobody said it to me every day, but being myself was never enough. Being better and good or best at it was the baseline or the requirement to even exist or being seen. Now I carry that inner voice till today, and I'm 26. And that affect every aspect of my life, whether it's my job, my career, my school, my college, my relationship, everything. The best way to know that you are also living in this paradox of choice, whenever you are evaluating a good person and you think, what if somebody is better out there for me? Then you are not comparing or evaluating that person, you are just proving yourself that you are good enough to have someone better than him or her, and you're just proving your 5-year-old self that, oh my god, today I did it. How I came out of this constant comparison cycle is to accept that what you choose to value today, whom you choose to value today, rather than what is out there. You start looking inwards, then outward, if that makes sense. I stopped looking for somebody, something better, the day I accepted that I'm just repeating my childhood trauma. I wasn't searching for peace or love out there. I was just searching for an upgrade because it is better than the old version. Fact, newer will always be better, but sometimes familiarity brings peace. I said. I stopped doesn't mean I have settled for something less. It's just accepting that I'm the only version that exists in this whole world and I refuse to be ranked in the system anymore. You have lived a life by excelling others people's expectations, by racing in the race where you didn't even sign up for. And today I stopped and I refuse to bleed anymore for those people, for other people out there. And I just don't want to do it anymore. If you think something, keep your opinion to yourself. I just don't give it. First, you must realize that you exist in this paradox, and this paradox is not giving you any kind of freedom, but you are hostile to it. You're not accepting your reality, you're not facing your own challenges, you are just manipulating them in a way of thinking that you will excel one day on the parameters that has been provided by your mind on the existence of other people. The options that it has promised to give you has just giving you unhappiness, not any more choices. These choices that this paradox is providing you is just confusion, unhappiness. Most of the time you are just in anxiety, paralyzed, and procrastinating what you have to do in life rather than just accepting your reality. Give yourself a reality check and accept your shortcomings, limitation, and work on them the way it should have been from the starting. I know many people have said it before me, and I'm gonna say it again. You need to find your why. You need to look at your life, every aspect of it, and need to figure out what is working for you and what is not. And not at the surface level, you need to deep dive and think about why. Look at your career, look at your relationship, and ask yourself, why are you doing it? Because it gives you the nourishment, or for the applause of the people you don't even like? If you have understood the why in your life, then you have to resign from the post that is not working for you and is for the external validation, because the only way you can exit from this paradox is by resigning from the ranking post. You are choosing things that is best for you and not against the world. The paradox only breaks when you stop ranking your life against the best and start choosing the thing that really matter to you, nourish you, and want to be that you want to be, and help you to be someone that you really love, enjoy, appreciate. If you're still looking for something better, it is because you are still running away from the fact that you feel less than others. Stop using people and titles as trophy to prove your worth. I hope this video was not wasting your time and you learned something. And if you haven't, just let me know in the comment section, and like and subscribe this video and share to someone whom it might help.